Welcome to my channel. Painting clouds can be a fun and creative process. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you paint realistic or abstract clouds, whether you're using acrylics, oils, or watercolors. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Prepare your background. Start by painting a base color for the sky. Use shades of blue, from light to dark, depending on the time of day you're depicting. Blend the colors smoothly using a large flat brush or sponge. Let it dry if you're using acrylics or watercolors. 2. Choose your light source. Decide where the light in your painting comes from, e.g., top left, center, etc. This will guide your highlights and shadows. 3. Mix your cloud colors. Base color: white for bright clouds or light gray for stormy clouds. Shadows: mix a little gray, blue, or purple with white. Highlights: use pure white for sunlit areas. 4. Start shaping the clouds. Use a round brush or a fan brush to dab white paint onto the canvas in fluffy, irregular shapes. Clouds should look softer and less defined toward the edges. 5. Add depth and shadows. Add a bit of the shadow color to the bottom or inner parts of the clouds. Blend gently with a dry brush or a sponge to soften the transition between light and dark. 6. Highlight with white. I'll lightly add pure white to the tops of the clouds or areas closest to the light source. Use a small, soft brush to blend and refine. 7. Blend edges for realism. Use a clean, dry brush or a fingertip to lightly smudge and soften the cloud edges, making them look natural. 8. Add details optional. Use a fine brush for thin, wispy clouds. For sunset or sunrise clouds, incorporate warm colors like orange, pink, or gold. Pro tips. A layering. Build up layers of clouds for a realistic look. A practice. Experiment with different brush strokes on scrap paper. A reference. Use photos of clouds to guide your shapes and colors. Would you like to explore a specific style, like dreamy clouds for fantasy art or stormy, dramatic clouds? Thank you for watching.